Hello and welcome to the TV Parts Today YouTube channel. My name is Ben and I would like to be your DIY TV repair guide. In today's video, we're going to be going over the steps to take before we get to the board swap. So the first step is going to be identifying the problem in your television and then determining which part that would need to be replaced. For example, if your television is not turning on at all, getting no power, we could look at the power supply board first. If we're having issues with the HDMI ports, then we could look at the main board. If we are experiencing a washed out or distorted picture, then we could look at the T-Con board first. Now, I know this all seems very confusing and very daunting, but that's where TV Parts Today comes in. We have an experienced customer service department with real people answering the phone, responding to emails with your questions about matching up part numbers, determining issues in your television, diagnosing those problems, and even actually helping you with those board swaps once you get those parts there at home. We really are here every step of the way to help you get your TV fixed at home. That telephone number is 930-212-1975, and that email address is info@tvpartstoday.com. That's info@tvpartstoday.com. The most important thing to keep in mind when doing a board swap is safety, not just for the television, but most importantly for you. So the first step that we're going to take is to unplug that television from the wall, and we're going to hold the power button down for 60 seconds. Now this is going to drain any residual power from the set that could be stored in the capacitors. Now, we should always be very cautious when handling electronic components. So if we want to use insulated gloves, or if we just want to handle the board by the edges, this is always going to be best. When it comes to the safety of your television, we recommend laying your TV face down on a soft surface, preferably a bed or a folded blanket, just something larger than the TV. This is going to help prevent any damage to the panel or the screen while we're messing with the components in the back of the TV. And it is important, stay calm and take your time. We don't want to be causing any damage to a connection because we're forcing it. We don't want to cause any fracturing or breaking to the back plate because we're using too much force. TV repair can be tedious and we should be expecting to run into problems. So just remember, wait and be patient. And if all else fails, once again, you can give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help you out any way that we can. So after we've determined what the issue is and we've taken all the necessary safety steps, we will need the right tools for the job. On our channel, we use an electric screw gun. A regular screwdriver will work just fine. I would also recommend having a small fine tip screwdriver, especially for the smaller screws on a T-Con board or a Wi-Fi board. And we do also employ a spudger. It's just a small wedge-shaped piece of plastic. It can help us pry the back off of a TV or release a board from its connection to the chassis. And in our experience, these are all the tools that you'll need to successfully do a board swap there at home. Please do give us a call if you need any help at 930-212-1975, or you can send us an email at info@tvpartstoday.com. That's info@tvpartstoday.com, and we will see you next time.